Hello again everyone, this is Mr. Hoy. In this video we'll be factoring another set of trinomials. Here we have a set of terms that has an a value of +1. Same thing here. Now the b value is the reason I created this question. I really want everyone when they first start a question like this where the b value is not obvious to go ahead and put a 1 or whatever the number happens to be in the middle of that trinomial, so that way it's a little bit clearer what number we're trying to get to. We want to start here by putting our sets of parentheses, putting the variable y here in the front because y times y is y squared. And then from there we're going to list factors of -42. Now there are quite a few factors. You may think of the two that add up to -1 right away. You may not need to list all the factors, but I want to include those here just in case you're struggling to come up with those two factors. So I generally start with 1, or in this case -1 times +42. You could then go to +1 and -42. We've also got 2, or -2 in this case, and 21, +2, and -21. Going beyond that, we've got -3 and +14, then +3 and -14. 4 does not go into 42, neither does 5 in this case, so we can look at 6 and -7, as well as -7 and +6. So after listing all these terms, we're looking for two that add up to -1. Go through these, adding them up, but it should be relatively clear that it's going to be one of these two pairings. Please slow down at this point and make sure you're picking the correct one. We need the two that add up to -1. I made a mistake here. This should actually be -6 and +7. So let me correct that quickly. 6 and -7 will add up to -1, so we want to use that and put +6 and -7 there. This difference here, this is going to add up to a +1. We can actually use that last set of terms over in the next question. So if we go over here, we have the same situation. We're going to set up two sets of parentheses with a y here and a y there. We need the factors of -42 to add up to +1, and in this case that would be -6 and +7.